Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 6, and in today's session we'll study Wow, Choti and Barri as vowels. Okay, the letters Wow, Barri and Choti are also used to represent the vowel sounds like U, O, O, E, A sounds. Wow represents the vowels U, O, and O vowels sounds, whereas Choti represents E sound, and Barri represents A vowel sounds. A vowels sound. As explained earlier, the diacritical marks pesh, zabar, and zer are generally omitted. However, in the text in which they are included, the following combinations represents each specific vowel. Okay, a vowel in combination with pesh on the preceding letter produces u sound. I write all these for you here, okay, and then I'll explain further. Just stay here. I'm going to write it for you. So here you can see some of the words, and these combination represents each specific vowel in combination with pesh on the preceding letter produces like U sound. Vowel with no preceding diacritical mark in the second one with no preceding diacritical mark represents O sound. Like I'll also pronounce all these for you, okay, after that. And after that, wow in combination with zabar. Here, wow in combination with zabar on the preceding letter produces O sound, like bow. I'll also pronounce all these later, okay. And Choti in combination with zer on the preceding letter produces E sound, and Barri with no preceding diacritical mark represents A sound, and after that, the last one, Barri in combination with zabar on the preceding letter represents A sound. I pronounce all these for you. The first one would be like boo. Then the next one would be pronounced like bo, and then the third one pronounced as bow. Second one is also pronounced like bo, not boo. It's bo without diacritical mark. It's bo. And then bow, and after that it's B sound, B. Then it's be. Then it's be. When these vowel sounds occur initially, wow or ye is preceded by alif, which is also takes the short vowel diacritical marks if they are included. Like you can see here, the first word would be pronounced as u, then o, then it's o, okay, then it's e, a, So that's it for today's session. Try practice writing all these in connected forms, like this row words in connected form, and also practice writing all these in your spare time in your notepad, and also try to pronounce them aloud while writing. Okay, So till the next session, wish you all the best and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.